The piece right behind you.
This 800 series?
I saw
What?
IDOS. So talk to us about what this IDOS, right?
IDOS. So you may have noticed that that's a little different than the other piece in the 500 series, right? And the IDOS basically allows you to put in your fabric softener, put in your liquid detergent, you preload it with whatever one you want. And then it will automatically dose throughout the entire process. So it's going to read the soiling of the clothing, it's going to add in. And what I love about this is that that's for your manual, right? You can just manually dose how much ever you want, or you can just load it up and it'll automatically dose in what you need for the load that you have inside. So it's quite smart, really.
Yeah, Bosch technology at its finest. Looks like there's a sensor here, and then that connects to the sensor on the machine. That's really intense.
It is really remarkable, and these, of course, are coming out very soon. One thing that I failed to mention on our 500 series, but I'll show it to you on our 800 series because it's on both of them. And you might notice this thing called the 4D wash system. Again, it's on both the 500 series and the 800 series. But what this 4D wash system is, it's actually an additional sprayer that you'll find right here. So as that soap and that detergent's interior is going through, it's going to bring that in and then infuse it into the clothing as they're moving around. So it's just an extra layer of being able to add in more detergent and that wash system so that every piece of clothing that you have, every article that you have is going to get the right clean, and even more so in that cleaning.
Yeah, and I see inside on the stainless steel tank, you've got bubbles to, I'm sure, bring that fabric just off of the stainless steel drum a little bit.
Yes, it has to do with that as well as the cleaning. And you might notice, you're looking at this unit, you go, okay, why are there water spots in here? Take a guess why there's already water spots.
They're all tested prior to leaving the factory to make sure there's no leaks and they still work.
Absolutely. So many tests. Everything that we make at BSH, Bosch, Thermador, Gaggenau, every piece is fully tested before ever getting boxed up and sent. And this is a beautiful thing for customers' peace of mind as well. Look, we can't say that nothing's going to happen once it gets delivered, but we can at least try to eliminate many of those pitfalls ahead of time.
This door is very rigid compared to other manufacturers. If you were to pull on this door from other manufacturers, the whole front panel would bend. I mean, that's a very, very rigid door.
One thing that I wanted to point out is the color. That pearl steel. That's an exclusive color for the 800 series.
It's gorgeous.
I love it. And one nice thing about the dryers on the 800 series is we bring a new feature in, and that is the Steam Restore. You're probably like, what in the world does Steam Restore? Well, we all have that favorite shirt or that favorite article of clothing, and you just want to bring it back up with getting out those wrinkles pretty quickly and easily, and that's really what this is going to do. And it's a nice feature. Personally, not gotten a chance to use it yet because these haven't made their way out into the marketplace yet.
So these should be available, what, the end of third quarter going into fourth quarter 2024?
That's what I'm understanding. That's
perfect.
Correct.